from the day one na mag-onboard sila and mag-activate sila. Therefore, we get zero commissions out of that. And in as much as we give as many incentives as they can, because ang success nila is our success. Gusto namin sila muna yung maging successful at kumita. And if that happens, then, you know, it will actually, eventually will be successful because we have to take care of our drivers so they can take care of our passengers. So the condition is simple. We will take care of them because they're the face of our company. But they have to also take care of our passengers because bilang ako, pasahero ako user ako ng app. So therefore gusto ko magandang experience. So pero nagsisimula yan from us internally hanggang doon sa ma-experience ng ating mga passengers. And going to your next question about vouchers, discounts, we will actually run many rewards, discounts, vouchers. Abangan po nyo, including referral programs in the next succeeding days, in the next succeeding weeks, you know, para dumami pa ang ating user passengers. And siguro gusto kong nagdagan yung information. Our goal is to have at least 1 million users nationwide in the next 10 to 20 months. That's our target. Hindi siya, achievable siya in 20 months. No? And our target for our driver partners would be at least 27,000 within 20 months and double that after. Para may sustainability tayo doon sa mga targets nating numbers. Nationwide pa lang. We're talking about Philippines alone.